After this, now we'll see how to find A12. As here we got the answer for A11. Now we'll see the answer for A12. Okay. So it will be -1 plus 2 into M12. So this will be -1. 1 plus 2 is 3 into M12 is 2. So -1 cube will be what? -1 into 2. So answer will be what? -2. So A21. So this will be -1, 2 plus 1 into M21. So here it will be -1, 2 plus 1. Again, it is 3. 1. So -1 cube is -1 into 1 equals to -1. Okay, so here we have -1, 2 plus 2 into M22. I hope you all might be knowing how to find the minor as well as cofactor. So this is -1 raised to 4 into 1. So 1 raised to -1 raised to 4. Here it is, we have even number. So even number means the answer will be in positive only. So 1 into 1, the answer will be what? 1. So as we know that after finding minor and cofactor, we write the cofactor in a matrix form. So here the matrix of cofactor is equal to A11, A12, A22, sorry, A21, A22. Okay, so A11 is what? -1, A12 -2, -1 and 1. Okay, so after this we know that we have to find adjoint A. So what do you mean by adjoint A? Adjoint means what? It is a transpose of the matrix of cofactor. Okay, so here -1 and -2 in the previous step it was in row, so it will now get converted into column. So converting row into column is what? Transpose. Okay, so adjoint is what? It is a transpose of the matrix of cofactor. So this will be -1 and 1. Okay, so here we got adjoint A also. So the final step is what? Now we have to find A inverse by using adjoint method. So A inverse, the formula is 1 upon determinant of A adjoint A. Yes or no? So 1 upon determinant of A is what? -3. Yes or no? And adjoint A is what? A -1, -1, -2 and 1. Okay, so after this, simply bracket open with -1/3. So here you will get 1/3, minus minus will get cancelled. Here also you will get 1/3. Here you will get 2/3, and here you will get -1/3 when you will do bracket open with each and every element. Okay, so -1/3 into -1, you will get 1/3. Same way here you will get 1/3, 2/3 and -1/3. So here we got the A inverse. So as I told here only, you can find A inverse by using two way. Okay, if you want to find A inverse by using elementary transformation method, you can find A inverse by elementary transformation method or by using adjoint method. Okay, but adjoint method is safe and simple, so just stick with adjoint method to find A inverse. Okay, if you want, you can find by using elementary transformation method also. In both the case, you will get the same answer for x and y. Okay, so as now here we got A inverse. Okay, so now final step is what? Now we have to find the answer for alphabet x and y. So the actual formula for A inverse is what? X equals to A inverse of B. Okay, so therefore x is what? X comma x and y. A inverse just now only we got, that is 1/3, 1/3, 2/3, -1/3, and B is what? B is 4 and 5. Yes or no? So here simply you have to substitute the values. Okay, now after this what exactly you have to do to find the answer for x and y? as a given question, it is in the form of what? A linear equation in two variable. In short, it means you have to find the final answer. It should be in the form of x and y. Okay. So now we'll see here how to find the answer. Now see the connection between A inverse and B, that is multiplication. And we know that how to solve a multiplication process. First, check the order of first matrix. The order of the first matrix is 2 into 2, and order of the second matrix, it is 2 into 1. Okay. So here clearly we can see that this second number and the first number, it is same. So yes, of course, we can multiply this two matrix. So the final result, the final answer, it will be in the form of what? 2 into 1. So there will be 2 rows and 1 column. So as we know that how to multiply any two matrix, we all know that. Okay. So what exactly we have to do? Keep the first matrix with the same position as it is. This is what we used to do. Yes or no? And then we'll convert this second matrix column as row. We'll write it as row. Then simply multiply. Then simply we have to multiply and add. Multiply. Yes or no? Multiply and add. Okay. First with first, second with second. So we also in the second row will do the same. We'll multiply and then add. Will multiply. So your minus it is there. So I will write inside the bracket. Okay. So now after this, what exactly we'll do? See here 1 by 3 into 4. This will be what? 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5. This will be what? 5 by 3. Here 2 by 3 into 4. It will be what? 8 by 3. Here plus minus, it will be what? Minus. So 1 by 3 into 5. Here you will get 5 by 3. Okay, so after this, as clearly we can see that 4 by 3 plus 5 by 3, the denominator is same, so we can write it as one time. So 4 plus 5, it will be 9. So 9 by 3. So here you will get 9 by 3. Okay, so in the second case, it is 8 upon 3 minus 5 by 3. As clearly we can see that for 8 by 3 minus 5 by 3, the denominator is same. So 8 minus 5, here you will get what? 3. So 3 upon 3, here you will get. Okay. So the final step, in the final step, okay, 9 by 3, it means 3 ones are 3 threes are. So here you will get 3, and this 3 will get cancelled, and here you will get 1. So here we got the answer of x and y. As now clearly we can see that here we have equal to symbol. So with the definition of equality of matrix, here clearly we can see that the left hand side matrix order is what? 2 into 1, and here also on the right hand side is 2 into 1. So as the matrix is balanced, so once the matrix is balanced, so by definition of equality of matrix, here the value of x will be what? 3, and the value of y, it will be equal to 1. Okay, so here we got the final answer. So this is what all about the inversion method. Okay, so it is very simple. Just simply you have to see that anyhow you have to find A inverse. Now there are two ways in which you can find A inverse. You can find A inverse if you want, if you can find by using adjoint method, or else by using elementary transformation method also. Okay, it is not compulsory that you have to find the A inverse by using elementary transformation method only. You can stick with adjoint method also. Okay, so adjoint method is little lengthy, but according to me, compared to elementary transformation method, this adjoint method is quite safe and simple. Okay, so for inversion method, I will suggest find the A inverse by using adjoint method only. Okay, so the first thing is what? First you will convert the linear equation in two variable in a matrix form. Then in the second step, you will create the formula, as I had explained how to create the formula also. Then if you go ahead with adjoint method, okay, so this is the format. Okay, so first you will find minor, then cofactor, yes or no. Okay, but first thing you have to check whether it is elementary transformation method or a adjoint method. Whenever you have to find A inverse, first you have to check whether A inverse exists or not. Once it is exists, then go ahead. Okay, so here for this inversion method, as I told, you can do element transformation method also if you want. Okay, but I will suggest to solve the sum by using adjoint method. It is safe and simple. So first you will find minor, then cofactor, then matrix of cofactor, then after that adjoint A, then the final answer you will get A inverse. As soon as you will get A inverse, then apply the formula of inversion method. Simply substitute the value. As clearly we can see that the connection between this is what multiplication, and we know that in multiplication what exactly we have to do. Okay, if you want you can rub this part if you don't require. Okay, okay, so here we got the answer for x and y. X is 3 and y is 1. Okay, so now here you can verify your answer also if you want. The answer of x is what? The answer of x is what? 3 and y is what? 1. Okay, so just simply substitute the value of x and y in the given equation. So here the first equation is what? X plus y equals to 4. Okay, so the value of x is what? 3 and the y is what? 1. So 3 plus 1 is what? 4. If your left hand side is equal to right hand side, so therefore the answer which we got here for x and y, it is perfect. Remember this. Okay, so in this way you can check and you can verify your answer whether the answer it is right or wrong. Okay, after getting the value of x and y, simply substitute the value in any one of the equations. So let's see in the second equation. Okay, it is 3 and here it is 1. So 2 3s are 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Yes, we are getting the right hand side. Okay, so this is the verification method. You can check whether the answer or the final answer of x and y it is right or wrong. Okay, for each and every sum, whether the matrix it is of 2 into 2 or it is of 3 into 3. Okay, so this is the verification method. Okay, after getting the answer for inversion method, we can check whether our answer is right or wrong. Okay, so that's the end of the adjoint method. Sorry, inversion method. Okay, so here we had solved the inversion method with the help of adjoint method. Okay, got the idea? So in this way, you have to present your sum in the board exam. Okay, as adjoint method, it is lengthy, I know, but it is safe and simple compared to elementary transformation method. So that's the end of the lecture now. Okay, so the remaining part we'll see in the next lecture. So in the next lecture, we're gonna see the 3 into 3 matrix.